Every journey begins with a first step. For these young men, that step led them away from the comfort of home and into the crucible of the National Cadet Corps Combined Annual Training Camp, the Yuva Shakti Shivir.
Once through the gates, the comforts of civilian life vanishes. They're immediately immersed in the military way, divided into 4 squadrons: Bana Singh, Khatarpal, Tarapur and Karyapa. This division sets the stage for a camp-long competition and camaraderie.
The camp is run not just by instructors, but by the cadet seniors, who shoulder the responsibility of mentorship and leadership, guiding their juniors through the crucial stages of documentation and settling in. After the day's grind, it's time for the ceremonial welcome.
I stop when I am done. जब मेरा काम खत्म होता है मैं तभी रुकता हूँ, थकने पे नहीं रुकता। तो मैं आप सबको इनकरेज करूँगा कि यहाँ पर एक एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम बहुत डिटेल में आपके लिए बनाया गया है। आप उसको पार्टिसिपेट करिए, अपनी लिमिट्स को पुश करिए। So this camp is being conducted at the NCC Bhavan, which is located at Rohini, which acts as an official headquarters of the NCC Delhi Directorate, which is, of course, you're aware, is headed by the ADG, that is the Additional Director General, in the rank of a Major General. And this is exactly where the 1 Delhi Armored Squadron is located. And we will be conducting the camp in this particular location. So the aim basically is to develop that character in a person, the disciplined leadership qualities in a cadet. And it is a pool which is available to the nation. It is a trained pool which is available to the nation, which motivates the other youth to carry out a task. And of course, it encourages to pursue your career in the armed forces.
Discipline isn't taught, it's drilled. For the few selected cadets for the quarter guard, the day begins long before the call of the reveal at 5:30 hours. Seniors take the lead, ensuring every seam, button and salute is perfect.
आवाज आनी चाहिए, ठीक है? सब सो रहे ना, पता चलना चाहिए गार्ड माउंट हो रही है। समझ में आ गया? वही है, अभी वही कर लिया। तो बोला नहीं, बोला ये काम तब तक नहीं है जब तक वहाँ पे आके शाम को है। चलो, अभी मेरी बात अभी फाइनल है, ठीक है? एक तो ये कैब की
From the raw sound of command practice to a first-time flag hosting, the goal is coordination, discipline, and the command. The seniors learn to lead, and the juniors watch, waiting for their chance.
ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा। मैं एक बंदे से मान सकता हूँ गलती हो जाए तो तुम सारी गलती कर रहे हो। वो रनिंग में वो कर रहा है, शूटिंग में ये कर रहा है। आप लोगों ने गार्ड माउंट ऐसे होती है, ठीक है? आप भी जब एसडी में आओगे तो आपको भी गार्ड माउंट करानी पड़ेगी, ठीक है, अभी आप लोग क्या करो, अपने अपने स्क्वाड्रन में मिलो, ठीक है, पीटी करो, जाओ।
मॉर्निंग में हम सबसे पहले कैडेट्स का फिजिकल फिटनेस को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए उनसे 1 घंटा पेटी ओब्लिक योगा की एक्सरसाइज करवाते हैं, जिससे कैडेट्स का फिजिकल फिटनेस काफ़ी हद तक इम्प्रूव होता है। जैसा कि सभी कैडेट्स को घर के ऊपर ऐसा करने का मौका नहीं मिलता, लेकिन उनको कैंप के दौरान पीटी और योगा करने का मौका दिया जाता है, जिससे उनका फिजिकल फिटनेस काफ़ी हद तक अच्छा हो जाता है।
The physical training is a structured effort, even on the field. The senior division cadets are learning administration, accounting for every individual, while pushing the entire company towards peak physical fitness.
तीन, एक, दो, चलो सारे बैंड हो जाओ, पुशअप मारेंगे सारे एक साथ, ठीक है? बैंड हो जाओ सारे। 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10। किसी में यार।
Behind the demanding schedule lies the bedrock of administration and care. The mess hall is a crucial training ground where cadets serving their own build qualities like accountability, selfless service, and table manners.
इसमें कैडम की ड्यूटी में मेरा टास्क ये है कि सभी कैडेट्सों को सही सलामत उनका रूम, साफ सफाई, खाना पीना, रहना सोना से लेकर उनका ट्रेनिंग की जिम्मेवारी मेरी है। जिस किसी को भी यदि तकलीफ होती है, कोई परेशानी होती है, तो उसे टाइम से उसको हॉस्पिटल पहुंचाना, हॉस्पिटल में सुचारू ढंग से उसका इलाज करवाना। उसके बाद यदि उसका ज़्यादा तबीयत खराब हो जाए तो उसे उसके घर तक भी पहुंचवाना, ये मेरी जिम्मेवारी है।
With administration handled, the focus shifts back to the field, the precision of the drill parade, where every movement is testament to the discipline they are internalizing.
सामने देख, हिल मत।
जय श्रीमान, श्रीमान, हिल परेड पर 422 सेनेट अदब। ठीक है, पीआई का पी सकते हैं, क्लास कैसी लेना है पीआई बताना है, ले रहे हैं क्लास आपकी? यस सर।
From the collective effort of the parade ground to the individual challenge of the obstacle course, the next phase of the training begins at the obstacle training ground. The training is about enhancing physical resilience, stamina, and grit. Every activity sets the tone for a physically fit cadet. Evenings bring a chance to blow off steam, with officers joining in the games, inculcating sportsman-like qualities.
From the physical to the tactical, the training transitions to the handling of a weapon. The journey begins with the precision and safety of the firing simulator.
ये आज करियप्पा स्क्वाड्रन का फायर चल रहा है। इनमें फायर से पहले हम बच्चों को कंप्यूटर के सिमुलेटर के माध्यम से हम ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, जिसमें .22 राइफल होती है और बच्चों को हम यहाँ पे लेट आके और इनको बताते हैं फायर कैसे होता है, फायरिंग पोजीशन कौन कौन सी होती है और फायर किया कैसे जाता है। इसको हम ओरिजिनल जब फायर होता है उससे पहले एक ट्रेनिंग के तौर पे सिमुलेटर फायर करता है। इसमें हम 6 राउंड दे रहे हैं प्रैक्टिस के लिए। इसमें फर्स्ट वाला जो राउंड है वो जीरोइंग के लिए है और 5 राउंड इनका टारगेट का मैपिंग कर रहे हैं, मतलब सेंटीमीटर mm में मैप कर रहे हैं इसको।
The camp ensures cadets gain confidence in weapon handling and firing practices. The simulator is a precursor to the real thing. Where under the watchful eye of Lieutenant Colonel Vishal Deshwal, they take the first steps towards mastery.
I've spent almost 18 years in infantry, that is 6 Rajputana rifles, and I'm very proud of that. And one part of that entire career I have spent as a commando instructor at Belgaum, wherein we used to teach various basics of commando to the officers of Indian Army, officers of friendly foreign countries. It was a very nice experience. So that experience I'm utilizing here to train our NCC cadets. So I'm utilizing that experience to train them in a generic way. Whatever a commando needs, the special requirements of that commando, that aspects are being used, especially like survival in tough situation, the leadership, to be honest, to be forthcoming, and to lead by example at any and every situation. That ethos of commandos are being taught myself to the NCC cadets.
The competitive spirit is palpable, beginning not on the field, but within the living quarters. Group commanders' line inspection ensures that the discipline of the parade ground translates into the personal habit of neatness and order. But the drive for excellence extends far beyond a clean room and sharp uniform. Whether it's the intense late-night prep for competitions, cadets are constantly transforming their fatigue into focused effort and creativity. The culmination of physical training comes in the obstacle training competition. From frantic last-minute planning to the rush of the starting gun, everything is on the line as they test their collective physical and mental strength. A synchronized salute to their training, where perfection in movement defines the victor. transforming raw skill into battlefield readiness. The Squadron Drill Competition.
Precision must be matched by speed. The tent pitching competition tests their ability to operate under pressure, transforming a complex task into a coordinated effort. All the competitions are being conducted under the supervision of the Adam officer himself, making sure it is being conducted properly.
The training is not limited to physical prowess. In the debate competition, the cadets hone their oratory skills and command of knowledge, as their points add to their squadron's overall score on the leaderboard.
Op Sindhur, when this thing happened, it was very, very overwhelming to see that all our cadets, all our training imparted so far came into practical use. And whatever we have structured their training program was exactly they were able to implement during Op Sindhur. Everybody volunteered to come forward to help the nation in such kind of a contingency.
The flag area competition blends creativity with tactical thinking. Working day and night, they create a detailed model presenting a comprehensive briefing to the commanders, proving their ability to plan and execute a strategic mission.
The training program is theme-based, a meaningful approach to align daily lessons. This structure ensures cadets connect various essential subjects into a uniform military and civic curriculum through expert lectures.
But the most important thing is never stop dreaming in your life. But just remember, these dreams are not the dreams which you see at night when you are sleeping. These are the dreams that you see when you are wide awake and you have to work for your dreams, right?
इसका क्या रोल है? क्या क्या ये आपके काम आएंगे? जो आपको ट्रेनिंग मिल रही है एनसीसी के दौरान।
इसी दौरान हम कैडेट्स को अलग अलग आउटर्स लेक्चर के माध्यम से, जैसे फायर फाइटिंग सिस्टम, एनडीआरएफ, डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट के बारे में, साइबर क्राइम जो हमारा सोशल मीडिया है उसके बारे में सिखाते हैं, ट्रैफिक रूल्स के बारे में बताया जाता है। अलावा इसके अलग अलग लीडरशिप, पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट के बारे में अलग अलग लेक्चर चलाए जाते हैं।
They learn modern relevance from traffic rules and firefighting techniques to the role of AI and drones in modern warfare. But crucially, they are taught the intangible, the essence of a true leader.
लीडर अगर हम ठीक तरह समझे कि वो एक इंडिविजुअल है जिसको उसके नेट मतलब कि उसके नीचे काम करते हैं, are ready to give last ounce of blood without counting anything in return.
to truly lead, a cadet must first learn to think tactically. The camp introduces war game where under the guidance of the CO and the Adam officer, they use intricate sand models to apply lessons of strategy to real-world operational scenarios.
Now, wargaming is what? Wargaming in a nutshell is you sit down and discuss as to what are the situations and what are the reactions to those situations, a scenario building into it. So we will be doing this wargaming for the cadets, which we will have internal discussions, and we'll make syndicates and come out with best solutions to activate the thinking power of a cadet, that how a cadet has to think in the right direction and in that military scenario how best the options he can generate.
तो वो कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि इस देश के अंदर आतंकवादी हमला करने की इस बड़े लगे टोपोग्राफी बोला जाता है जहां पर ये कार्रवाई हो रही है.
Mata, Pashchim Yard, Pitanpura, Nesabgarh. Now coming towards North Delhi. At North Delhi, we have Rohini, Badli, Patelagar, Janakpuri, Mundaka, Alipur and Shastinagar.
आर्टिलरी की रेंजेस ही आप आर्टिलरी की रेंज राइट फ्रॉम 20-25 किलोमीटर्स टू 60 to 80 100 किलोमीटर तक 150 किलोमीटर तक रेंजेस हैं आर्टी की. तो क्यों ना मैं अपने सेफ एरिया में पीतरपुरा में अपनी गन लगाऊंगा और यहाँ से मैं सीधा किच्ची वाला पे यहीं से बैठे बैठे कर दूंगा फायर. आपने देखा है वो जो फेमस जो यूएस प्रेसिडेंट ने जो ऑपरेशन किया था पाकिस्तान के अंदर, इसको याद आएगी आपको कि मेरे को ये टास्क मिला था तो मैंने क्या क्या किया. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट आपने बताया कि इसके अंदर आपने आइडेंटिफिकेशन, सबसे पहले आपने आइडेंटिफाई किया कि हमारे पास ये क्या चीज़ आ रही है, कुछ अलग सा दिख रहा है. देयर आर 3-4 सम डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. आपने उसका अंदाज़ा लगाया कि ये हाइट ज़्यादा है, स्लो चल रहा है और इसके ऑल्टीट्यूड की वजह से ये सर्वेलेंस ड्रोन हो सकता है. तो तुरंत आपने अपनी लोकेशन और उसकी लोकेशन को नोट किया और नियरेस्ट उसको बताया. गुड, सिट डाउन प्लीज.
This uniform is not simply worn, it is earned. Every step, every synchronized salute is a promise kept, a flawless display of character and commitment. The camp wakes up for the very last time in the chill of the early morning. This is not a practice. This is the solemn final quarter guard. Look at them now. The nervous faces of day one are gone. In their place stand disciplined young leaders, eyes sharp with purpose, their posture reflecting the dignity forged in the fire of this camp. As they prepare to leave, their journey echoes the timeless words of Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa. Discipline born of drill and duty will be the greatest asset in your future.
Patriotism is जुनून देश के लिए. It doesn't come easily. You have to do a lot of hard work. You have to respect the Tiranga. You have to respect the regiment where you are serving, oblique formation where you are serving, and it comes from within. And last but not the least, वीर भोग्य वसुंधरा राजा रामचंद्र जी की जय.
So gentlemen, I must close this and thank you so much for a very rational and insight discussion and debate we had today. And I am very sanguine and very sure that you people will imbibe those NCC role, what we discussed, the task, and imbibe in you to become good leaders of tomorrow. And I bless you, I wish you all a successful life, a healthy life, and God bless and all the success to you. Thank you.